Welcome to part 2 of this video, as I attempt to make a steampunk lamp from a champagne bottle. The first job of the day is to cut a hole in the bottom of the bottle, and I will be using a 30mm diamond tube cutter. The glass is quite thick, so it may take a while. Let's do it. Right, so I'm going to use a solution of water and washing up liquid as a coolant and as a lubricant. Now, you don't need an awful lot of pressure when doing this. Ah, success! The next stage is making the wire netting to go around the bottle. I'm going to do this using the copper wire I showed you earlier. It's not particularly interesting stuff, so I'm going to double it up and twist it together using my cordless drill. I need quite a bit of it, so I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how to do it. And there we are. Let's see if I can bring it in close so you can see it. Let's focus it a bit. There we go. Far more interesting, but I do need quite a bit of it. Using the wire, we need to make some hoops that follow the contour of the bottle. I think we should need about 7 of those. I'm going to wire wrap the join and solder it, as this copper wire is lacquered and doesn't solder too well. I'll make the first one and we'll see how it goes. Right, that went well. And there we go. Now I need to wire wrap 4 points around the hoop so I can solder the vertical wires. Right, there we are. We're getting there. I'll bring that a little bit closer so you can see. There we are. Right. All I have to do is repeat that for the next 6 hoops. I'm using that old film magic again. There it is. I'll bring that a little bit closer so you can see it. There we go. Now, I've already made the vertical wires and I've wire wrapped these in the positions to match the hoops. And the next job is to solder these on. Now I'll take the hoops off and do this, and we'll see how it goes. And there we are. We're almost ready for the paint finish. Just a couple of things. I've already glued the support base and I've soldered a little cap at the end of the support tube. And before I put it into Deborah's capable hands for the paint finish, I'm going to give everything a good clean. Well, I think that's about it. Ready for the paint finish. Let's see what Deborah has to say about it. So, what do you think?
I like it. I think it's really cool. What have you got in mind? What do you want me to do?
Well, I wanted it to look like it had perhaps been under the sea or tucked away in a damp corner, and it's got all a kind of like a brassy look that's kind of dirty and grubby and a bit green and verdigris sort of thing.
Okay.
Obviously not too much, because that would be the same colour as the bottle.
Yeah, it would. Well, we can make a start by taking the bottle out, I guess. Can you do that at this stage?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, and spraying everything else with a gold paint. If have we got any of that left?
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll make a start, give it a base colour, and then work on
What, spray everything gold?
everything.
Okay.
Yes, and then that gives us something to work on.
Yes.
And, yeah.
Okay,
let's
well,
have a
even the
look.
feet and stuff and everything, the whole lot.
Yeah, even if you can.
Yeah, I can
What
do
about the
that.
underneath? Would you?
Yeah, I can do it.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Yeah, we'll start with that.
Okay.
Perfect.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. Well,
Okay.
I'll do that then.
Fantastic.
So what do you think then? Have I done a good job?
You've done a great job.
Have I?
It's perfect. And while you were doing that, I was having a little think about the colours, and I'm going to use some phthalo green mainly, a little smidgen of phthalo blue, and some black, and we'll mix that together.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Just those colours?
Just those colours, and rub them off a little bit at the end, and to reveal some of the gold, and it should give the effect that you like.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Shall we have a go?
I should look forward to that.
Yep.
Well, I won't sit here and watch you do it. I'll go and clean up the shed or something.
Okay.
Because I made a bit of a mess out there, to be honest.
Okay.
Okay, I'll leave you to it then.
Brilliant.
Okay.
See you in a bit.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you. Oh, hi.
How'd you get on?
Not bad.
Oh, look at that.
Pop that on there.
Wow.
It needs a spray of lacquer just to seal it and to
Yeah.
make it
Yeah, just to make
shine
it
and
pop a little bit.
pop. Yeah.
It's fantastic. It's very well done. That's exactly the look I wanted.
I
Oh,
can't-
sorry, go on.
No, I can't wait to see it with the bottle inside.
Oh, I should have brought it in with me.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
That's all right.
Yeah, so I have got some lacquer, so I'll give it a spray of that, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it a spray of lacquer, and then I'm going to fit the lamp holder,
Okay.
and I'm not going to show you until it's done.
Oh, so I get a surprise.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, brilliant.
All right. We're nearly done. The lacquer's dry. I just need to fit the lamp holder. I'm going to fit a cable grip just there. This one came out of an old 13 amp plug top, and there we are. Now, just the plug to fit. I've put 4 small spaces at the bottom of the bottle to make an air gap. Although LED lamps give off very little heat, they still need a flow of air around them to keep them cool. And you must only use LED lamps when making an enclosed project like this. Incandescent lamps would be a fire hazard because they just get far too hot. Right, on that note of caution, I better start putting it together. Lovely. Right, well, let's see what it looks like. Wow. Oh, better than I expected. See if I can do a fly past without shaking too much. Should be in the Tate Modern. Right, close your eyes. Don't you dare open them. Okay.
Oh wow! Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah. Oh, well done.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it. Oh, it looks good. It's nice and shiny.
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah. I think it worked out better than I thought, as I said earlier. Yeah. If you decide to do this for yourselves, and you've never done anything like this before, make sure you get an electrician or someone qualified to check your wiring or to do it for you. But other than that, it's quite a simple one to make.
Was that it?
Yeah, I think that's about it. Just one thing, the wine, I said I'd give you an update. The wine is still fermenting. It has slowed down, like I said last time, and there's quite a thick sediment on the bottom, so it's progressing, and we'll update you again when something exciting happens.
Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and click on the bell icon to see more from our channel. And we hope very much to see you soon. Take care.
Yes, take care of yourselves, and see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.